What do you notice? What do you wonder? A ziggurat was a temple that was built in the center of town by ancient Assyrians and Babylonians. People believed that their gods lived in the sky, and in order for them to hear better, you needed to get closer to them. Ziggurats were huge, with a wide base that narrowed to a flat top. Each tier of a ziggurat was smaller than the one below it. Now we're going to build our own ziggurat. Tier 1 has 1 cube. Tier 2 has 9 cubes. Now visually predict how many cubes would be needed to build the third tier. Verbalize your prediction with your group members. Verify your prediction by building the third tier. Did yours look like this? Tier 1 needed 1 cube. Tier 2 needed 9 cubes. Tier 3 needed 25 cubes. Here is a top view of the ziggurat. How many cubes would be needed for the fourth tier? The fourth tier. From the side, bird's eye view. How many cubes did you need? What if we did not have any cubes? How might we represent a four-tiered ziggurat in a different way? Grab some graph paper or square tiles. How do you see this pattern growing? Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4. Or maybe you see it growing this way. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4. What do you notice and what do you wonder about these patterns? Can you think of any other representations? What tool could you use to represent the number of cubes or tiles required for each tier? With what you know now, could you use the tool to calculate how many cubes or tiles would be needed for the sixth tier? Can you explain what the pattern rule is in your own words? Could you write an expression that would help you calculate the number of cubes or tiles needed for the 99th tier? Is there more than one expression that can help you?